What up, fellas? Welcome back to another video. What you're seeing here is a mystery tackle box, if you didn't know. See, I did have the Pro, but my girlfriend made me switch down to the standard. She made me switch to freaking standard. 15, man, you barely get anything in this. But if you're starting off, you can get this for $5, and it's good. You get way more than $5 worth of bait, and 15 a month. I used to get the black one, which was 38 a month, or 29 a month, something, whatever. And we're doing a little bit of a unboxing today. Thought maybe we should unbox it with a little bit of pow, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of pow, you know what I'm saying? This is like my 10th mystery box, my second of the regular. All the other ones were black Pro box. Well, let's get right into this fucking video. So, we're gonna yeah. So I'm talking about, you get this little measuring tape right there. Little measuring tape. 14-inch bass. Well, that's a big one. You get the what's inside card. So when you're in the Pro box, bigger, as the box is bigger, you get more baits, but you get 5 baits in this box. Here you can see we got a Googan Scout. Let's look at that. That one's $9.99. Ooh wee, boy. You know what I'm finna be using on Sunday to catch some bass? We've got the Googan Scout. Nice blue. Got that little, you know, to it. You know what I'm saying? So we got that. Alright, we got the tips and tricks book. We don't... Oh, snap. I don't think we really need this. Burn. Ooh. Look at that. Burn. Oh, shit. Alright. Well, here's your tips and tricks book. A little booklet they put in there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, next up in the box we got a sticker. Looks like a bobber. Yeah, it's a bobber. I'm gonna put that on my truck. Alright. Big bite bait to boom. Just like that, we got them. I don't know if I'll really even use them. Anyway. Next, oh yeah, those were $2.35. $2.35. We got these. I think these are drop shot weights. He gave me 4 of them. He wasn't generous enough to give me 10, because you know what I'm saying. Got those. Alright, those were $2.99. Amazing Baits by Carl. Carl's Amazing Baits. I'm definitely going to be using these. So, yep. Last but not least, we have Live Shotting. Some drop shotting bait right there. You see where you can do it right there. You can put drop shot, put that on there. I've never seen these before, never in my life, so I may use them. I might use them this Sunday to catch some fish. You know what I'm saying? I might do an MTB Slam, so if you want an MTB Slam, let me know before Sunday. So, and this was $6.25. Boom. 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 That's what you get when you get a mystery tackle box. Check it out at www.carlsbaitandtackle.com. Grab yourself a mystery tackle box because it is the best tackle subscription in the world. You freaking hear me? The world. I ain't playing. But look, I ain't gonna link it down below because I ain't sponsored yet. But when I'm sponsored, you'll get a link, Carl. But anyway, you know what I said. Look it up on your Safari. Alright. Anyway, guys, enough of the cringe and all that bull scrap I was doing. If you want to win a giveaway, $300, picking 3 of y'all to win $100 gift card or wherever you want. Carl's Bait and Tackle, Googan Squad, whatever you want, you can get. Well, if you like Target, you like Walmart, whatever, get your gift cards for there. So all you have to do is like, subscribe, comment down below why you like, what favorite bait was in this box, and if you're gonna get one. Now just comment down below what was your favorite bait in the box, and let me know if you guys should do an MTB Slam. Turn on post notifications if you're new. Down in the comments, hashtag notification squad, and I'll see y'all skins later. Pound it.